Want to export Instagram messages and save your chats? In this video, I'll show you how to do it directly from your phone, step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right. From here, select Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap Your Information and Permissions. Then tap Export Your Information. Tap Create Export. Select your Instagram account and choose Export to Device. Now, if you tap down, you can customize information. I'm going to tap that. Clear all at the top by tapping it. Tap down and look for messages right at the bottom. Tap to click that checkbox. And finally, at this bit, tap Save at the bottom. You can also select data range, which could be from all time to last year or whatever setting you want. You can go to Format HTML for easy reading and media quality, which is optional. Once you're ready, tap Start Export. Your information has been prepared for export. We'll let you know when it's ready. Instagram will prepare your data and send you an email with a download link. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can take up to 48 hours. Once downloaded, you'll be able to view your Instagram chats in a readable format. Just keep in mind you can't export a single chat only. This exports all your messages. Avoid third-party apps that can put your account at risk. Tap Downloads. Downloads. Tap Download. It should open a zip file. Tap Downloads. Tap again. Tap the zip file to open it. Tap Open. And that's how to export Instagram chats on mobile. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.